Hey gang, Jason here for the Love of Tractors, and I did a quick video on this during the virtual show here the other day, but I thought I would take a look at the Fendt Momentum planter. Finally got my hands on one. A really neat outfit. And so, you saw the box there. So first thing first, this is kind of your typical Spec Cast unit with the pull pin instead of, kind of a unrealistic hitch, so I really like that. Now, one thing that stinks is, see this clip that holds it on? It's already bent. But that's an easy fix. Just do something like that, and it's fixed. Okay, so taking a look at it, obviously we got the 16-row model. These fold down like that, and the whole thing folds open like this. Now you're in planting mode. Now this rear, in transport mode, the rear folds up or down, just like so. And we've got really nice rails here. They look appropriately sized. They do not look too thick at all to me. Great job on that for Spec Cast. And then, of course, we've got flashers and warning lights here. See if we can get a better shot on. There we go. Beautiful. On each side there. And then if you look up under, you can kind of see some undercarriage for holding all your tanks and all of that. So some nice detail up under there too. Great looking Fendt decal. And then we've got the Momentum decal here with the big Fendt on the tank. So of course you got the bulk fill tank, and then you've got your, your other tank here up front. The wheels, this is the only thing I've kind of heard the complaint on, are these wheels. They are a soft rubber. I don't know. They're realistic as far as color and all of that goes, as far as Fendt planters go. But I agree, there's some plastic look to them, and maybe that's what people are on about. Now, these tandems do walk, which is pretty cool, I think. They tend to want to get stuck like that. And of course, you can just tap them and make them work, but they work pretty good in general. Here's kind of the undercarriage. So, just sort of plain undercarriage, which is what you would expect on a planter for the most part. Looking pretty good here. One thing I didn't point out, we got like kind of a little toolbox over here, so that's pretty neat. Nice little detail there. The row units look good on this too. Just, kind of nice painting and all that sort of thing. You've got some detail up there. You can kind of see some sort of serrated opener detail on that, so that looks pretty good. And then of course you've got your big cylinders here where you fold and unfold. So let's see if I can get this to kind of fold back for me. It's probably easier to do it this way. Except for now it's wanting to hang up. There we go. Got it. So it's kind of stiff folding, which is what you want, because if you're going to, put this behind something. Of course, this whole thing pulls forward when you fold. Let's see if I can show you that real quick. Yeah, there you can kind of see how this whole outfit folds forward. So there's that. Got a nice cylinder up here because this does pivot up and down. It's tight, but it does do it. And then, well, my thing fell off from my... Okay, so the chain that holds that on is just chintzy, let's say. Anyway, I'm going to go ahead, put this in transport mode, fold those up, fold this rear up, kind of set it down here so you can get a good look at it in transport mode. Yeah, so there it is. Anyway, guys, so here's the deal with this planter. Really nice planter. Really expensive planter. So I picked this up at a show. I got it for less than sticker, but sticker price on this at the show was $100. Yeah, that's expensive. $100. And I've been seeing them online around $88 is what they're generally listed for. You figure after shipping, you're going to pay $100 for it. So, is this a $100 planter? I'm going to leave that up to you guys. In fact, that's the question of the day. Leave it in the comments. Is this worth $100? I don't want to rip on anybody or anything. I don't want to, run down the company, especially because they're making really nice stuff. This is a nice planter. We would have never gotten this any other way. I appreciate it. I really do admire and appreciate what Spec Cast is doing for this hobby. But the end of the day is this $100. You're certainly not going to let your kid play with this for $100, right? You're just not. Too much stuff to break, rails, all that sort of thing. But I will say this. There's a lot of die cast in here, and it's a fairly heavy planter. So there's a big bonus there, and there's a lot of parts to it. But I still think the big question of the day, is this worth $100? So I'd like to hear what you guys think about it. Anyway, thank you all for watching. Really appreciate it. Thank you so much. Check us out, fortheloveoftractors.com, or on social media at fortheloveoftractors. You guys have yourselves an awesome day, and happy tractor hunting.